Okay, welcome. In this short video I want to quickly show you how to do your own information tagging on your 3D virtual tours. So I will provide you with a username and password to log in, and you will likely come into a dashboard like this, and you can click your space, or you may go straight into the space like this when you log in. This is most likely where you will arrive, and what you want to do is you want to hit this edit button up the top and right side. So I've just gone and done that, and this opens up the edit dialog where you are able to do information tags. Now the only thing you need to worry about is this Mattertags one on the right hand side here, and I'll click that. And that's how you add tags, and I've already got two in here which are currently hidden. I can show that and it shows up. So these are the two that I've currently done, and let's go and do another one. So I'm going to cool. So in the tour, essentially there's a plus sign, so when you're in the right hand side on the Mattertags there's a little plus here, and that allows you to add a new tag, and it's just a matter of locating the place in the tour where you want to put it, and then just clicking to drop the tag in place somewhere, and then you get this little dialog box where you can add a title, a description, and change a few things like adding links, changing the color, changing the stem length or choosing not to have a stem at all, and adding media, and that could be a photo or a video. So I'll bring up a website as an example, and I'm just going to add this watch as a tag. So I've just copied the title. For the description I'm going to keep it simple, just going to say maybe the price, so I'll just copy that and I'll go buy now and then paste in the price, and then I'm going to do this as a link. So I'm going to add link, and then I'm going to copy, can't really see this, but I'll just copy the link, paste that in there. That'll create that as a hyperlink. So that's that done. I might change the color to red. There's 16 different colors you can choose from. Now if I change the height of the stem, you can see that there, and I can also have no stem at all, so it disappears. So no stem is good if it's just a general tag that's not related to anything in particular in the tour, and a stem is quite good if it's relating to something in the tour, so you're attaching it to something. I'm going to bring that back down. So that's what it looks like at the moment. Title, description. You could always click on them and then hit the edit button to edit, or the delete button, or you can come over here and hide it. And you can also edit it with the three dots and edit. I've got a space, a line above the title, so I'm just going to remove that line, and now I will just make the stem a little bit longer, and I'm going to add some media. So I'm going to get a photo from the website. Photos needed to be hosted, so they could be hosted on your own website, or they could be hosted on a photo sharing site like Flickr. Flickr.com does work for hosting images as well. I'm going to use this image, so I'm going to just copy this image address where it is on the Novel Email website and paste that in and apply. Preview of the image, hit done. So there we have one tag created with a title, a description, and when I hit the link it opens up in a new window to the product page. With that, if I wanted to add another tag, I could do that. I've got title, description, change the color to green, the stem. So it's pretty easy. It's just a click, drag it where you want it, and then place it. Now, two important things: you can always hide if you don't want to delete, or you can delete tags. But the important thing is to save your work. So if you hit this close button up the top right hand side, and then you hit the publish, that's publishing it, so it will be viewable on the tour, so you can preview it, and that's published now. And I can edit it again, go to the tags, you might want to make a change, and after every change you can publish, but don't forget to publish because they're not going to be saved until you publish them. So that's it for creating tags. It's pretty easy to do. You can use YouTube videos as well as a media instead of an image, and you could also put PDFs in there, but the most common is people just adding a title and a description and a link somewhere, but they can look good with images as well.